Welcome. If you want to enjoy Roblox in your preferred language, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to change the language in the Roblox mobile app with the latest steps for 2025. Whether you're learning a new language or just want Roblox to feel more comfortable, this guide will help you switch things up in just a few taps. First, unlock your device and open the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Now, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. This will open up a menu with several options to customize your Roblox experience. Next, scroll down until you find the Settings option. It usually has a gear icon next to it. Tap on Settings to continue. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a section called Account Info. Tap on Account Info. This is where you can view and edit your personal details, including your language preferences. Now scroll down until you find the Language option. It should show your current language, like English, right next to it. Tap on the language, and you'll see a list of all the available languages that Roblox supports. Browse through the list and select the language you want to use. For example, you can pick Spanish, Italian, French, or any other language that suits you best. After selecting your new language, make sure to tap Save if you see that option. Some versions of the app will ask you to confirm your choice. Tap OK or Done to finalize your selection. The app will now update, and you'll see all menus, buttons, and settings in your chosen language. That's it. You've successfully changed the language in the Roblox mobile app. If you ever want to switch back, just repeat these steps and pick a different language. Enjoy exploring Roblox in the language that feels right for you.